Oh, here. Hello.
How you guys doing?
Good.
How are you? Haven't seen you in a while. I'm gonna ask my mom how to do
I go broke, so I can't make any money.
Oh no. Serious?
Yeah, because when I charge my ice cream, they don't want to give me no more.
Oh.
Shut it down. Then I just got some money so I can.
No.
It's very hard.
Yeah.
The ice cream price is very high.
I'll
Yeah.
be right back, okay?
No, don't worry about it. See this
Want
one?
one?
Here.
This one they sell me for
Here, hold her.
168. And I charge $2. How much are you gonna make?
I'll be right back.
40 cents.
You guys see that? I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some money. You guys get money.
So what do you do with the pictures? What do you do?
I put them on YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube.
Don't put mine because they're gonna laugh at me.
No, they don't.
Huh?
No.
Yeah.
No, I get a lot of views.
Really?
Yeah. She's gonna go get some money to get ice cream.
You're pretty.
Well, thank you.
How you been?
Good.
Life is too much.
Yeah.
Did you vote?
No. Did you?
Yeah. Biden.
Biden?
Trump is troublemaker.
Yeah.
Back.
So you guys gonna collect some candy tonight?
Yep.
Then happy Halloween.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Happy Halloween for your mom.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Um,
I'm gonna come. I'll try to come. That's too much.
Yeah.
oh, I'm sorry.
That's the way life is, you know. Some guys made it. Some guys. I had a lot of money. You know?
Do you have the jelly bean snow cone?
I had a con man. For my money.
Oh.
Do you have the jelly bean snow cone?
Yeah. I have a bubble gum.
Okay, I want the bubblegum one.
Okay.
So it's Halloween.
Oh, wait a minute.
I'll take that one. It's okay.
Kids are dressed up. Melody and her friend.
I'll take it.
Bubble gum, everybody love it.
Yeah, that one. Hey, how much is this?
Buy you some.
No, I
Happy
want.
Halloween. Happy Halloween.
No.
Don't worry
You
about
take the
it.
money.
Don't worry about it. Next
You
time.
need it the most.
That's okay. She could pay for it. She wants to buy one too.
I really want to buy it. Happy Halloween for you.
This is $20.
It's 10. Can I get a snow cone, please?
You don't make money, you get it.
No, keep the change. Keep the
No.
change.
No.
Yeah, keep it.
No.
Please.
I cannot do that. Thank you. I
Okay,
appreciate
what
it.
else can I get then? Can I get the Lucas
Which color?
red?
What do you want?
How much can I get with this?
You don't like? Okay, I give you a deal.
Okay.
And there's Betty. And there's Champion dressed up for Halloween. And there's Melody's pumpkins. The ice cream truck guy just left. Champion's all dressed up for Halloween. Huh, Champion? Look at me. Look at me. Melody. Come here, let me see your Halloween costume. Let's show. And here's a Melody all dressed up for Halloween. We're going to go to a couple houses.
We'll videotape them for you, so.
No, I'm not going to record no more. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys her
Bye!
costume. Y'all have a wonderful Halloween. Bye.
God bless America. May God be with you all. The annual purge.